Hello, welcome to first tutorial. Let's see how to create your first web page using Notepad. You can follow me and grab every point while explaining. I use Notepad as an HTML editor because you are easy to understand. To save my HTML file, I create an empty folder and set a name. You also can put any name you like. Now I open Notepad and look at what I'm going to do. I don't write any HTML code in Notepad and also save this Notepad document using any name with .html extension. When you save Notepad files, you can use .html or .htm. I use .html. I save Notepad file in my HTML folder which I created in desktop. Now Notepad file saved as successfully with .html extension. Let's go to the HTML folder and see. You can see that my Notepad file has become a HTML file. Its file icon also has been changed as a web browser icon. Now you can right-click on HTML file and go to Properties, then you can see that file extension has been set as .html. When you double-click on the HTML file which you created, it will open as a web page. Because you didn't write any HTML code, you will see an empty web page. Now you can understand that to create a web page, the first thing you should do is save Notepad document as .html or .htm. Let's now create HTML code one by one. Before that, you should open the HTML file from Notepad. Again, right-click on HTML file and go to Open with option and select Notepad. Let's create simple HTML code using HTML tags. First of all, open the HTML tag. Every HTML code should be placed between less than mark and greater than mark. HTML tag is the container for all other HTML elements. Remember to close every HTML tag as soon as you opened. HTML tags can be closed by /mark. I will save and after that run this Notepad file and let's check what happens for now. You can see that nothing happened yet. The reason is the HTML tag only works as a container for other HTML tags. Therefore we can't see anything from HTML tag. Next tag is the head tag. Head tags should be placed inside the HTML tags. Start head tag and after that close the head tag as usual. Now save the Notepad file and let's see if anything happens. I will run the saved HTML file. Still you can't see anything. Usually the head tag is invisible except the title tag. Head tag is very useful to connect meta link, CSS link, bootstrap link as well as place title tag. The next tag is the title tag. It should keep between head tags like this. A title tag is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. Again, save the file and see what happens. Now I will run the saved HTML file. Yes, we can see that the web page title has been changed to title tag name. If we didn't write anything amidst title tag, then your Notepad file saved name becomes page name. But there are no changes in the web page body. By now we have covered the head tag. Now we are going to create a body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. Now I start the body tag and close the body tag as usual. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Body tag should stay inside HTML tags and outside the head tag. And also there can only be one body element in an HTML document. After creating a body tag, we can form a web page. Let's create the h1 tag first. The h1 is an HTML tag that indicates a heading on a website. I save this file. Now let's see how the heading tag will show. You can see that the h1 tag shows its content and its big letters. Now you will understand that h1 tag is suitable to show a topic, display text, or show a headlining. Let's create another heading tags up to h6. The HTML h1 tag to h6 tag represents 6 levels of section headings. Let's save the file and see what happens. I will run the saved HTML file. Yes, you can see that the HTML H tags have been shown. Each tag is different sizes up to h6 tag. h1 is the highest section level and h6 is the lowest. I think that you understand how to begin your first web page through this tutorial. I have introduced all other HTML tags with my other videos. I will invite you to watch other videos, then you can understand and your web design knowledge will be improved. So you can remember these tags, these structures, and use these tags and structures when you create a web page. Thank you. Have a nice day.